Interactive eBooks offer teachers the opportunity to integrate technology into the curriculum and guide students toward independent reading. They can enhance student learning in a variety of instructional settings, support English language acquisition, and further content and literacy learning. Professional audio recordings promote fluency and vocabulary development, while text-to-speech highlighting supports struggling readers.
Follow the code. The flag code is a set of rules.
Videos make the content come alive for students. Vocabulary pop-ups help students to build their academic vocabulary.
Rules. Things that tell what you may or may.
Interactive tools, like the Spotlight tool, can be used to help students navigate through the text features. This can be used in a group instructional setting to really enhance understanding. The highlighting tool can be used to point out key concepts to make the text more accessible to students. The Note tool allows for teacher and student communication. Teachers can ask questions for students to answer during a reading of the text. Interactive activities enrich the reading experience and can be used to reinforce or assess student learning. For more information about Interactive eBooks, please visit us at teachercreatedmaterials.com.